Hello, everyone. I'm just here to talk about something that I've been quite uh, thinking about it for quite some time. So, I have this question in mind that, like, is learning to code into this AI world still worth it? I really don't know. But honestly, personally, in my opinion, I think it's still worth learning to code because despite what uh despite the different advances of AI technology, having agents that are like smart enough to generate code for everyone else. So yeah, it's been a common pattern, and it's something that's very uh, prolific today. Is everyone, the public, is given the chance to generate or get or create applications and program or software on their own. Basically, you just give the whatever agent you are using an idea. You write it, spec it out, and then you feed it to the agent, and then in a mere few moments you get your application. And yeah, I'm still it's still a mixed feeling for me because despite giving AI giving that power to everyone to create applications, but when the time comes that, and nothing is perfect, nothing always ends up being perfect. And so when the time comes that you encounter issues along the way, or hopefully or probably in the future, I'm not hoping, but yeah, uh, what ends up is it will always be us humans, or whoever is given the task to check for those problems, issues, errors, or whatever you may call them. So yeah, you just can't uh, fully rely 100% on another AI tool to check, okay? Because there are so many variables, so many varying conditions, so many different business rules to apply. And I don't think AI is at that level yet of uh, level of capacity where it truly understands what's going on with logic. Okay, it might, I treat AI as sort of a glorified search engine because they're great at, like, uh, compiling, organizing stuff from the internet that wherever they get their data from. But yeah, I might be talking about controversial stuff here, but yeah, at the end of the day, it will be us developers that are responsible for whatever uh, code is generated by an AI. You cannot put blame on an AI because I think that's just like impossible, probably at the moment. But yeah, it's still us humans. It still leaves us the privilege of correcting whatever mistakes or issues that might come or arise from those code. Okay, so yeah, I don't know. What do you think of what's going on? What's your thought on this? Is it still worth learning to code in this day and age, in this so-called AI revolution? What do you think? You're probably someone right now that's thinking of starting to learn to code, or you're probably someone that is is trying to figure out or trying to decide whether you want to pursue field from computer science field or IT field or any field related to that. So yeah, if in case computer science or IT becomes obsolete, controversial, I don't know, then maybe we can look into some other stuff. Or if you want to be practical, you just learn a trade or a skill. I guess the AI and robotics in its application won't won't be getting there yet. So yeah, there's so many things going on today that sometimes you there's there are times wherein you get so dependent on AI that you end up like losing a bit of your thinking skills, right? It's something that we should be careful about. I know the AI has its uses, but as much as possible, do the thinking first. AI is there to help us, to help you probably get some much clearer answers if there are some uh, vagueness in what you're thinking. But don't let it become the one to decide for all of your thoughts. Okay, you're still the one that have to do that, because if you let AI do everything, I'm afraid we are losing our uh we lose our capacity to think quickly. Okay, so yeah, for me, I think it's still worth it to learn to code. And so if you are thinking about that today, you're hesitating, then you should start learning to code already. That hesitation will put you in sort of a limbo. So might as well just start. Even if the moment you hesitate, might as well push through it. You can't let your hesitation lead to analysis paralysis. Okay? Just make things simple. Just do it. You'll get there eventually. And yeah, then you'll have, then you'll start to think, and then you'll have your own opinions on what should be the ideal things, okay, in life. All right, then. I should not waste your time anymore. I'm still working on a different project, on another project, which is the Blazor form builder. So I just started, but I've already have some initial prototype. Uh, but probably in the next few days, I'll push out a short video for that one, detailing the status of that application. Okay, so yeah, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next episode. Have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.